For this video, I am going to teach you how to block unnecessary emails in Gmail by using SaneBox. So if you don't know what SaneBox is an email management service designed to help users manage their inboxes more efficiently. It uses artificial intelligence to automatically filter and prioritize emails, helping to reduce clutter and focus on important messages. So once you go into the sanebox.com in their official website and you have successfully logged in or created your account, then you'll land on the dashboard. And in the dashboard, you'll be able to see different features and tools that Sanebox has. So as you can see right here, it has digest, do not disturb reminders, and so on. But what we are going to utilize for this tutorial is the folder named as Sane Black Hole. So the Sane Black Hole feature or tool here in SaneBox is designed to help you manage unwanted emails effortlessly. And when you move an email into this folder, any future emails from that sender will automatically be redirected here and eventually move to the trash. So this feature is particularly useful for handling newsletters or emails from contacts you no longer wish to receive messages from without needing to unsubscribe. So for it to be able to enable this Sane Black Hole in your Gmail is to enable it from the folder section. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard. So in your dashboard, click onto this folder section. And once you scroll down, you just need to locate this Sane Black Hole right here and enable it. So once you have enabled this one, what you need to do next is to go to your Gmail, and then the Sane Black Hole feature or section will appear under the labels section on the left side bar of your Gmail. So once you're in here, just locate the Gmail or the email that you want to put into the Sane Black Hole, or the email that you consider as unnecessary or that you want to stop receiving messages or emails from. So for example, right here, I have 1Password. So if I want to stop receiving unwanted emails or emails in general from 1Password, I just need to drag a specific email from 1Password and put it in Sane Black Hole. So once an email is placed again in the Sane Black Hole folder, all subsequent emails from that sender will bypass your inbox and be redirected here. So emails in here will eventually be moved to the trash, keeping your inbox clutter-free without manual intervention. And if you have mistakenly moved an email or changed your mind, simply move the email out of the Sane Black Hole folder to stop filtering. So again, I'm just going to drag 1Password out of here and move it back to my inbox section. So there's that. So with these steps, you can effectively manage and control your email flow, ensuring that your inbox remains organized and free of unwanted messages. So that's basically it. That is how you can block unnecessary emails in your Gmail by using SaneBox, specifically the Sane Black Hole feature. So I hope this tutorial helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.